Thank you so much. I was hanging out with my friend the other day. We were talking about relationships, and he was like, I just want to find someone that I could like laugh with, that I could watch anime with, that I could hang out with. And I was like, nah, dude, that's not what he meant. That's not what he meant. I grew up low income. That's why I like to eat booty. I don't know why I looked at you, sir. My bad. I'm sorry. I grew up low income, but when I was in like 4th grade, my parents helped me qualify for this program that let me transfer to this rich school in the suburbs. The program was called Lying About Our Address. And guys, I didn't know just how rich this school was until the teacher was like, class, instead of who, sometimes you should use whom. I was like, damn, dude, this school got resources. Guys, they don't teach whom in low-income neighborhoods. You never heard a rapper go, hey, that's the homie with whom I commit crime. And sadly, I have a lot of cousins who ended up having to go to the school in my neighborhood. Poor guys never learned about whom. Dude, they still use who, even when referring to the object of a preposition. Oh, you sound dumb, dude. And going to the school, I started hanging around a lot of like rich white kids. And if you've seen those around, like on their scooters, they love to say stuff like, oh, I have family in Germany. I have family in London. I have family in Australia. And I would always be super jealous of that, because Latinos stick together. So the only thing I could ever say was, I have family in the living room. I have family in the garage. I have family in that van parked out front, I am really grateful to have gone to this school, though. I had a good education, so good that I actually graduated from UCLA a few years ago. Thank you. And honestly, the coolest part about that, I don't know if you guys knew this, but when you're a minority and you get into a good school, they send you a packet with the info of the white dude whose spot you took. And it's like a Big Brother program. He gave me a future, and now I take him to Chuck E. Cheese sometimes. Tyler's a really cool dude. I was hanging out with him the other day. I was teaching him how to shoot a basketball. And I was like, hey, man, no hard feelings, right? We can be amicable. And he was like, what's amicable? Because he didn't go to college. This poor guy. Oh. No, man. But the middle school was tough because, my name's Jorge, and a lot of these kids with whom I went to school, a lot of these kids thought my name was hilarious. There was this one kid who would call me Whore, hey. Like, he'd see me in the halls, and he'd be like, hey, whore, hey. And I didn't like that. So to get back at him, his name was Wyatt. To get back at him, I started calling him bitch-ass Wyatt. And that's how I coped. I mentioned anime. I like watching anime. If you guys don't know what that is, anime is short for animated titties. And a lot of people are like, oh, Jorge, you only watch it because of the women. You only watch it because of how they draw women. Thank you guys so much. My name is Jorge Lopez.